And to because of Fanima, you know, in this particular video, this is never for NDC and Mahama government, no. Baako NADMO demolition exercise air cost our crowd. Unfortunately, say at the way the NDC for be coffee. Obama here a duomo ebe coffee. Na face no journalists we have say Mahama government Galamsey promoter. Omo ne promote Galamsey pa Ghana hanom ama omo abe blast ma omo kire say Mahama has started failing Ghanaians. Was starting a o fail Ghana for no. Memo nchire mu no akire wadwe ama me comment section. Hi Penyah blog media. Me so say ni demo. Obe like video no that about subscribe button some back the notification icon of latest updates na be kire wadwe ama me comment section. So baso no actually for anya biahwe. So let's begin with a part of Galamsey. Only mo say Ghana hanom o check it from 2023 eba gold and export here. This is the data. Just because boss we go back here 2023 January, Ghana exported 1.5 tons of gold. February 2023 kwanano, exported 2.7 tons of gold. March exported 1.9 tons of gold. April exported less than a ton. Yes, exported less than a ton. In May, exported 3.5 tons. June, exported 2.5 tons. July 1.3 tons. August 2.9 tons. September 2.1 tons. October 7.7 tons, November 6.7 tons, December 5.4 tons. Anyway, this is 2024, so no, NDC MPP government. January almost exported 2.8 tons. February 3.1 tons. March 3 tons. April 4.3 tons. May 3.5 tons. June 7.1 tons. July 6.6 tons, August 6.1 tons, September 5.3 tons, October 6.1 tons, November 4.9 tons, December 4.2 tons. So these were the tons of gold were MPP government almost time. Now they were exporting. At that time, you taki almost only a Galamsey government. Almost because gold you exporting it is coming from the Galamsey. At that time, I said the fight against Galamsey we can election mo no can say ebe ya dene in a way say Ghana no e gold and e kura Ghana na e true Galamsey and me nya that gold we it no e kun bia ne ko dem pa but onoba he will put his presidents on the line to fight Galamsey
papa men dadamo and so ehia kokudro because one Senior Mikayan, gold is the one holding Ghana now. And because of Galamsey, we were 80 tons per year. After year, 135 tons. Additional, be brave free Galamsey. So we must be prepared to sacrifice in the fight against Galamsey. Say production will come down. It means that exports will reduce.
That same instant, now you were NDC for be service enkwasiya for bi za ko hia Galamsey for no nwura mu a omu hye omu bose yantuma Mahama na Mahama we ni so ekukuro ade chen ya omu mra field ebe bu Galamsey adwuma
on the 8th on the 9th ye ba na Mahama ewini na mu mra be ye boduma obi I don't know. Send a pay for no Etikano. Send a money no, Mr. Nami Galamsey. And now, Mekano, Yamiadum. This is Yami Buana Mutama.
That's over data we are. It is clear. As a NDC is a promoter of Galamsey because Galamsey na more gold na more export no mobile even January na yanti gold board na munya initiative na initiative gold board February na initiative gold board March we have been at gold board there buy but before then already more export almost 20 tons of gold munya free any fine na no any be much say we say Mahama in this government a Galamsey promoters government.
President Mahama is the great and the biggest enabler of Galamsey, and his men are cheerleaders and they are the beneficiaries. No. Today, you are singing the praise of NDC. When Kweku Buahi and then Obin went to the mining communities. President Mahama said it. Everybody that has been put in prison on the basis of Galamsey, Akufo-Addo has said it. When he comes, he will grant them amnesty. Between you and MPP, who means well? Today, President Mahama, he has given the biggest support for pollution of our water bodies. You know what he said? That Galamsey offers over 4 million jobs and creates revenue for the state. So he cannot fight it. In his press, meet the press statement. These were his words. So President Mahama...
He said he cannot fight it.
Of course.
No, quote him right here.
Please, hold it. He is justifying it.
No.
President Mahama is only justifying it.
He never said that.
Please. You said you declare state of emergency. We should declare state of emergency. And you come today, you are giving justification why you cannot, because it offers jobs. It provides revenue. And you are buying the gold. You see, let me tell you something.
When you say you, who?
President Mahama and the NDC.
President Mahama never said
he never,
I'm saying President Mahama and the NDC. He said you grant amnesty.
Yes.
When you say
that's
you grant,
a fact.
Yes, that's a fact. You grant amnesty.
Yes.
The NDC, cadres, Sam George, all the leading members of the NDC. Last week, the General Secretary texted here. I hope he's listening. He will text again. That they were individuals of the NDC. Check your commitment, your recent commitment on Galamsey fight.
Yeah,
it's in your manifesto. Bring it and see whether you are doing any of the things.
Yeah,
you
we are
said
doing
here.
it.
What are you doing?
We are doing it.
What are you doing? So you see, today, the water bodies, where Miracles Abuaji went, he went to the Penyah Dam site. The Penyah Dam is not a stagnant water. It's a flowing water trapped to treat for consumption. So whatever activity is done anywhere, it comes to settle at the treatment center. So when he gets to Penyah and said, this is what they are treating for you, on the basis of that, don't forget, Ghana Water has threatened that they will close down Penyah Dam water treatment center because it has been destroyed beyond. Now it is no longer a dirty water. Look at the state of it. So he's telling you, now you are proposing 225% in water bills because it is difficult to treat the water. And you see, why, for me, I don't want to politicize this Galamsey fight because you see, now they are finding mercuries in cassava.
Yeah.
You don't know where Gary will end up on the tables of your ward going to school.
We're talking about the EPA's research.
The EPA's research.
It's very frightening, eh?
Very, very frightening. So this is not NDC MPP matter. We are only holding you to account. With all that we did in this country, we had the water until you went in and we had all these problems. You have come. We are only begging you and holding you to account that the things you said to declare state of emergency, today you are now explaining to us what the state of emergency means. But I'm saying that all the people who fought MPP on the basis of Galamsey, they are saying that it is festering worse than we left it.
All right.
8 months down the lane, records abounds.
Okay.
Imani had said so.
All right.
Oliver Kemabo and all the guys who led the demonstrations, vigils. You know what Mustapha Gwande went to tell them? They should go home and sleep because President Mahama is not in the country. That's what he said last night. So, Cletus, this Galamsey matter, it is not MPP. It should not be treated as such.
Okay.
And me, Sylvester Tete here, I will not take a political advantage of a situation when it will not benefit our health. We are all in this together. When we had wanted you to support us to fight it,
Okay.
you exploited it to your advantage. Today, you are telling, because you see, the gold board that has been set up today, indiscriminately, they are buying any gold, wherever it's coming from.
Right.
No,
They are buying anything.
It's not true.
What do you mean it's not
not
true?
true.
What do you mean? So the Galamsey, that's who are mining. Why are they selling it? Because it's illegal to sell gold to anybody apart from the gold board. And they are mining, they are selling.
Okay.
So if they are not selling, you've set up an institutionalized Galamsey
Gold
today.
buy gold from any.
Why are they buying the gold?
They are
from?
not buying.
They say small
have
scale miners.
They have
Please.
aggregated. Gold board is
The
not buying
aggregators, where do they
that.
go?
They are not buying
But they
directly.
license them. The aggregators, I don't know the people who license them.
They are not
They
buying
license them to go and buy the gold. Where do they buy the gold from? And nobody says I have a buyer. And they will go to the bush to go and mine tomorrow. They are mining everywhere. It's worse than it used to be. And we are saying that your NDC executives had ransacked all this gold belt area. Of course, on the instructions of what Kwekubuahi and Obing and the rest said. Today, it is a menace if you are not careful. Today, mining, not only in the south, go to your area, the north. It's terrible. So don't politicize it. Don't go back. You have a mandate. Ghanaians expect you to fight it with a commitment. But you set up an institution to buy from them. You have told us.
No. It's like Gold Board, the law is very clear. They are not supposed to buy from Galamseyers. You know that very well.
So
don't say that here.
So you say,
say that.
I'm saying that. Tomorrow, have you seen anybody holding gold that doesn't have a buyer in this country today? Have you seen anybody?
But he's just telling you that.
But
We
I'm
have
saying
lancers.
that.
We have lancers buyers,
So
lancers
you see,
agents.
what you call license agents. So you were criticizing MPP for regularizing and giving license to people and monitor their activities. You were criticizing it.
No.
Now, only say NADMO has started demolition exercise, especially in Accra. I'm amount for the go to say there a 90 BC now in CA and almost no one could permit any other. But as I see, BLC no Ghana have a funny free. As I see, I saw cotton near our cotton papers and some of them be the so. I know, sir, and no crana made them interest and say ECG because baby a dime we won't say a waterlogged area any other any better place to put a building to know. Better place to put up a building now. A whole easy light post and light ever honor. It is a ECG nimu say, na ECG nimu say that place no. You see that honor any Anna your mouth come your tree. Light, I don't get it. Your tree light echo those areas. I don't get it. And you know the rate at which amount for property. Terms kaya japada ye bugua. Ahomete. Oba kaiswa. Kufa betina so or ye demolition exercise maybe. Emma, it cost MPP a lot. Many people money in or catch them pay the Penyah. I do any Kufa do I know. We will lead a serious campaign against MPP in the 2024 election. And in fact, 2024 election, that guy no joining this team. Now, what's our back to MPP? They rose against MPP because no ni fee ye buguye. Omufi omuti won fie guye. Na yire store ekwan ye kobugu se aba ye kobugu ema that ebesi ne store na buguye no eho ye nya hwe ho no asase da hokwa. Eti demolition as cost you know. Ye bebu da yagu ye baby bias ye nya hwe wo so na man for property ni ase ne kwa. Eno ene bi mo kira sa John Mahama mu hwe ye cause Accra ho no mo yesa no. And this is stronghold na ebe cause wo a lot.
To me so. NADMO for na mo yes adwuma ko bubu sa ho. Help ma me ka sam kire. Camera one take me. NADMO for na mo de mo se sebe. Mu fi obia ma me soja ni nsimo so. Me ankofa sports no mra. Mu gu o mampani John Mahama ni ma se. Na alugwase kan kurumu e bi ka kokonte. Tumi na de ahya won san na sebe wudidi sa semfon no. Sebe yaburu wudidi sa semfon se. Wo tumi ntumbe bubu nkrofo ja pade ase na obi aka hwe wontie chese wonni abadae krokro mu gu NDC aban nani mu ase na ebeye nsunsuanso amane o mampani Mahama ni wo beba no wo bebrese. I'm telling you de mu ye no mu di nsunsuanso boni bi ba party ni ma mampani Mahama 24 years ni ya se wan e begina se constituency executive bi de begina se wan e begina no nipa le bebre for the winning because dia mo ye no mu tietia Ghana fo bi fa wudie so me catch na NADMO director ko a wo ye sa de no occasion no ugu NDC aban ani ase ne nye sa na o mampani Mahama so kokoye ne sa na o so koye ade e kura ade ade no tumi kakra de ma mo ma ya nwene ho sa ade abana ya mo tuma o mampani Mahama no sei na o mampani Mahama ya catch o mo de ade tumi ne ye pone kakra de ma mo a na mo de ye dwae na mo de ye sebe nsem fon ne ma wo kuro we mu sa mo so ma se compensation bi wo mu anade woni kwakwa wo yes anti se wo ba pa na wo no wa japade oni se aban bi CPP aba no wa bebubu a ka be sore ahonhon se wa anye ne ye wo so wa anye ne ye mu gu ani se aban ani mu ase o ma hwe ye wo ma da pa be dedi 2028 bia enkana ha almost 30 something seat MPP vonya 4 pe mo na mo tase ni nyina be wo hwe 2028 mu benya 4 no mo nya de mu o mu so nyaa je wo ye no ugu party na ni mu ase e de na mabo ye futa du kwa ma so de mo nko na de tumi ahyamsa mo nko na de tumi ahyamsa se wo kura nya na ya ban asase a kasa pa e ma ba to mo no mo kasa Mumo mo be afibi, no mo vansi ba bi foforo, mumo mo sika bi, no mo vantu anamon. Na mo fiti prakopa dia no pa, se ma bo mamane, se mo minim be sa japade na wo ho no. Nko bubu enu anya de. Abrante ne video no. Ewo mu. Dia wo so be ya roba no. Eni mo hu, ewo sa video na be send yen. But uma bi so ne na mu. Eni mo ajai. O si, baby amabubu no. Onya adwuma nje. Ti oba be ya roba. Amampani nadmo director kwa wo yes ade no aha ya hi kweshi legon lagun won teshi ana kweshi lagun we ankrani to ka meji ato Greater Accra Regional Minister unu we hu bi ya ma me oku
na fe ebi kire se Mahama a start efeli Ghana fo no woni chiri mo omo de emaye
nyame adom correct we no de wo na abedi nkomo no de na ekoso Prague mama mfo sesen yentie bi
Prague amu de ekoso de nsam no dawson
okay
ese wo ya adwuma de obetia ne dollar abafam fuel abafam dollar abafam fuel abafam
enwoma na
eni se wo bi sei
okay
de obetia no avra waka we nyina wie na otia
no otia sesai
fuel abafam dollar abafam na so ade ntia na mabo ya den ene na okodwoma ya nto ade ene okoto ade ya tutum ena sa ye koso ara no
se ya nto ade ya teniam dollar abafam fuel abafam se one person mo kire sei
se nipa na wo kasa no what market wo to mako mi kasa be wan enye we be 5 years ni dollar no kura wo hunu bi
okay
ndi o kasa dollar abafam wo no wo hunu bi ndi o de ye den ohun
na ada na Prague abo no montete so the dollar abafam petrol abafam ada no montete so
ohun se Ghana no se na tie manya akwanya akọ Libya pen
wakọ Libya ba
yeah
okay
se na tie government no e ho no lad bill water bill free
lad bill water bill Gaddafi abreso no
e da so wo ho se tia
me ene nyina
na da woni mo bia o Libya betima contact
Ali Benghazi na Tripoli na ase he
the whole country ni nyina water bill lad bill free
untu lad bill
untu water bill found company adwuma wo ye no meter more than
ho e wo Libya
de wo ho bia betima bisa nada obetima ya research
meter more than
ho water bill sa meter ni bi no ma hunu bi ndi kro ni aya ne say obi atu abula woni fie ndi government water na te say bia ha nka aba ofie no omu bia e bebu oguma ndi umom na wo de machine beto abula num na
okay
akọ
o tank num okay
ko kro ni ya desert utu nso ayema ndi amkra mbisa mo say na omkra si de na omunya nso timi supply free desert land because me call me be almost 3 years ma hunu su teneda se bi atano da we ma hunu bi da
Libya ho
ma hunu bi da
okay
apart from poor me hunu ye ma hunu su tene bia dwene ho ase enso ye free
na ye ensuo nya na wo ya okay to aso
enti no
dia ma light no so omo twe free he
minim
ba light so sa
free de obia betima bi sa nya ntoro na ase we free
yankwai
enti no because of that enti no se bia wo be produce ade bia ho na say wo ye investor bi wo ba ho a omomom na be hyehyɛ mmara ma wo say yesi because I don't know any free
okay
but yan hwe man yim se bi bia me manya sika me pese me mie pure water company bi mbacho government no watu nsuom watu lighting na mesi na nsuo no so mana yeyie machine kura me kraba obekọ ayi habo niam ya atum ya sika ya gine ho no ndi de me ye no me that so amana yeyie maboka
da Prague mu no omutimu ya omunsu se mo Prague for mo mo na sesen
sese de omo ye ne se aban no wa ma system na ye din de omunsu ho ano no
de omanfo ni su ho no
yeah obitimi ombo se nipa be tu tra mo atu Prague na mo atwa mo ho ekon obi be ka se ye nte fe so na obi aka se na ya tete ne ma so na ya tete fe so wa won de asem okura won ka bio manfo timi na ne woman bia otun force osi otwata wo nketwa me hyede nimu osi ye wo saloon na ye wo de na obobo osi price ye tie no be se $30 se be kofa the same thing and is any proba bet ne ma no so am
that want so
na sa ni ho ane ne nkote lore fe no so no ya to light me ya to water me de no de wo se mento na government no wo discuss wo de boy to wo ato wo die
and amanfo no mo ho so mto abana na
pa pa even NDC for na omu twi prage ya no komo di omo boys no omo nka na kure dede kwa
sa
ya no omo na ewo ho
oh
komo di omo de ye
na sa aban papa aba
me se de ye gege dede ya ti kuro mo ko se komo di omo
ko se police station no
enne omo kura nyo okara na omo di ya adwuma
sa nkrofo no omo ko se police station no omo nya okada nya adwuma
mi wo menye se bia dede komo de no aba ne be de na wa ya mo de
omo nya ba bi nhye
o sha mfa bibia komo de omo na ya
ento omo ne mo na twi prage ano
omo nya bi kura ntwi bi ko omo kada no kura sen aye dada no ya ru ahu se wo
wa ko se techima police station
me se
na ban aba afinie omo nya ahwe ma no prage ano so otwi ye pompom no se onya prage ne bi ntwi
na ru ahu se me wo ni se na boy ba ko se omo be ya reshuffle ntino the next week ba sere sa da fo
omo be ya reshuffle
asa e bi de be da to team no
so omo free se o meja nwom na be amababa ba no nwom o meja to
me say dia
ana mo twa reshuffle
okay na me say onja ni dede no onja di o ke kakra no
en country o say obukura sita o teso
ya beje
when am 3 months 6 months o be sore mo obi abetena so ya enti go kro we say
gojo me ba and say o me ko so twi pragara na so me ko akopɛ aba adwuma ye
na okonya ne hefa ya na o mo okonya ne hefa dede o ye bia wa ye ne kwa hwe this is the time I say you cannot kire my before mama mfa emo enye obekọ ya atemo so sa aduana ya ka no I to say scale of a preference mechanism it is a car ebia o ka wutwi na mekoto matisa surprise nyepe
dabi
mo no se bi o yama memo ana egugu konkomu no truba omia ena nimdi aba na edi agu sakim so what ya say ko bi samo papa ye nyina yeti Ghana ko bi samo papa say ya ate so a
okay sir I'm on a grade wo
mo ya mo wa ha opa ko
nkokọ de yam de school feeding and na yam hwehwe abo no so ana
ko they don't rice
they don't range of rice
mo ukoduru ha ye wo grade bi ana ne price
okay
and ukoduru na say the na first ye di go loan kama isi ka akwa ho no and ya packaging nice ya atemo so nso za mo na ne yekoto no loan ka ne bo efo me no ye nim
dada nyina
ye nim dada
eno ano de ye wachi ni hwan me yape
ye nim dada akana kromo a ye de ye wachi ene bi akoto premier say ye correct kan ni na ya mo ba ko
o sai fi ni say omo ye braised rice de kan mo ni anwa ekura no okwa obekire o say memu we me de sa amu we na ye memu ni anwa no nti wote kakra bi ma wa onim say mo no quality ne bo no wo soro ene obi susu de be kwana mo no si wo na ata
ohun enti ne ye wade bi ya we ni kwa say wo de nam ye de say wo de bi ya say government na to like what like base so
okay
what water base so
okay
na omo produce ni amana so timi tete ni amana so
and NDC for omo year campaign ye de na oni mutwi praga no omo gusu defend aban na
oh say omo no dey I say say minim say ye fed you say nim guase you on say onu shawa no wana o kan okure say owu be nipa mu no ya $10 so sa nipa no make un say mimitia yi mi free Libya aba na mi hunu $1 mi beduru ye be 2 years ni mi
hunu bio
okay ha na de ma me no eni mo ka jaza ma $10 sa $1 no mpan fo na atia mo mo so o mo na etukwan ko fa ne ma tutukwan me no what ye because that one was the last time I kwa Accra mpo
Accra ko bi a che
ya $10 so we fa ho ben
okay o can story be chem say lady be no what the pragesa no be 3 times no ni kapre
and it's I ho
sa
na say me fa nice lady bi and kwa so a different story oh jana me to bayra time see this I want that be and sign
one top
I'm crying because inti me be man na me to bayre robra wan ka baji no I say
to bayre one ton
na sika wo nice me kodi asempa makobe 3 times ni na me hia no na me jana me so me fro aja wonim se be ma de ma hia no kra
o be pere number je
minim se bi o kwa animu ya me come market na yesen so semi ana sika ni man no mu ma ya ka no kra
ona ma wi ani
ona mu
e ma ko be sa no 3 times
sika ni o ko market ya nto hwe sika no wen sika ni man no me se Ghana ha bi se NDC ni se man no ana se aban be mfa so de be na wanya obeka che ne se ya $10 so
This is a nyum ni nyina akoye yate dollar so. Anyum ni nyina akoye yate fuel so.
Apart from
ba wona kasa nya hwe.
Dia niema. Vena nketua na yeto ne 25 net 3 cedis, 2 cedis net 3 cedis.
Vena nketua
no 3 cedis. Bisa obia. And dia na yate so dia. Mo ya me kai ma di ka anam tutu. Mo. And dia.
I make big bottle 5 cedis. So
big one pa no.
Yeah, 5 cedis.
This is the time mama when ye bia obi ye campaign na obi ye propaganda bi. Mra ese ka no kore kire Ghana fo me wa ha se Ghana ni enye NDC na MPP
okay
ekoyi a meka
ba enkoyi mate me da so wate 14 after 3 kwajo ene Kofi tone ni na these are voice
chirawa mama e wo comment section Penyah Block Media akra